Cityhopper vlucht naar Amsterdam. We vertellen u zo eerst iets over de vliegveiligheid aan boord en vanaf nu worden alle announcements alleen in het Engels gedaan. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the captain and his crew, I would like to welcome you on board this KLM Cityhopper flight to Amsterdam. We extend a special welcome to our Flying Blue, SkyTeam Elite Plus and Elite members. This flight is operated in cooperation with our partners, and the flying time today will be 1 hour and 20 minutes. And in a few moments we will explain the safety procedures on board this aircraft. Instructions will be given in English. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the cabin crew.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt. This is how to fasten the seatbelt and tighten it. And this is how to open it. There are 6 emergency exits on board. 2 doors at the rear, 2 hatches in the center, and 2 doors at the front of the aircraft. Floor level lighting will guide you to these exits. Please identify your nearest emergency exits, bearing in mind that these may be behind you. We will now demonstrate the use of the oxygen mask. If the cabin pressure drops, oxygen masks will appear automatically above all seats. Pull the mask towards you. This releases the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust the headband and breathe normally. If you're traveling with children, put on your own mask first before helping the children. Next to the life vest. Put your head through the opening. Fasten the strap around your back and attach it in front. Make sure to tighten it. To inflate your life vest, pull firmly on the red tabs. This should never be done inside the aircraft. If necessary, more air can be added to your life vest by blowing into the tubes. Contact with water will automatically switch on the light. The life vest is located under your seat. Details of all safety instructions are in the Safety on Board card, which is kept in the seat pocket. Please read this card carefully prior to takeoff. Please adjust the back of your seat to the upright position and fold away your tray table. For safety reasons, we ask you to stow your hand luggage in the luggage bins or under the seat in front of you. On behalf of KLM and partners, we wish you a pleasant flight.